He paid top dollar for an antique diamond ring just because he saw the way it made her smile. Never knowing if the hand that would wear such a thing would keep it on the rest of her life. Now and then he'd find it on the dresser after she left him for the night. And even though she was out there doing wrong, he was bound to make it right. Make it right. So he paid top dollar for a mansion on the hill just to keep it close to heaven up above. He saw an angel when he looked into her eyes. Was no price he would not pay for her love. That slamming door would echo down the hall after she left him for the night. And even though she was out there doing wrong, he was bound to make it right. To make it right. He paid top dollar for a purple coat Cadillac. Dealer told him it's the only of its kind. She pulled out the drive and didn't bother looking back. Never noticed he was following behind. Now that slamming door don't echo down the hall. That rings at the bottom of the ocean wide. They laid her in the ground next to her mama. He's doing 30 years to life. Guess he made it right when he paid top dollar for an antique diamond ring just because he saw the way it made her smile.